Hello everybody, I'm going to do a brief instruction video how to change domes, filters and check whether the hearing aid is working. So, first thing to do, power source. Is the hearing aid switched on? Is it charging? With the battery operated, if you open the battery tray and then close it, you should get a green light. That lets you know the hearing aid is working. With rechargeable, if you hold this power button down here, the bottom button, hold that down for a couple of seconds. If it goes orange, that's turn the hearing aid off. Give it a pause, press it again, hold it for a couple of seconds and it should go green and the hearing aid should come on. If that happens, you know the instrument is functioning. So next stage would be to remove the dome from the hearing aid. So literally, it's easy to get a bit of tissue behind and just peel off the dome like so. Visibly check the receiver and usually you will see a little bit of wax in the end of the receiver in the filter there. The way to change that filter, first of all you need to thoroughly clean the receiver end. Cleaning spray on a paper towel and give it a good clean down, making sure you remove any wax, debris, etc. from the end of the receiver itself, this part here. Then take a filter, ProWax MiniFit in this case, remove the filter from the packet. On one side you've got a removal tool, on the other side you've got a fresh filter. So you go in with the gremlins. You go in with the removal tool, you'll feel it click into place, remove the old filter and put the fresh filter back into the receiver, like so. Quick rub with the back of your nail to make sure it's in all the way. Then, with your Stethoclip, insert the Stethoclip, the receiver into the end of the Stethoclip like so. And then if you're talking to the hearing aid, your voice should come through nice and clearly. You should be able to tell a distinct difference. If everything's working fantastic, put a fresh dome on. Take a dome, insert it into the centre of the receiver and pop in like so, making sure it's on all the way. That then should be good to go. If that doesn't work, then it's probably the receiver wire itself which isn't working. On the inside of the hearing aid, you'll notice a little area there where the receiver is held into place. Take a very small screwdriver or a pin and we just not easy to do without doing it on the table. We just push into the back of that pin like so. If you lay it flat, it's much easier. And the receiver wire will come out. The receiver wire does have both a power and a length, and red for right, blue for left. So the length in this case is a 2, it's written on there. I'm not sure if you can see that clearly, but there's a number 2 on that one, and there's also on the other opposite side there's an 85, so that's a size 2 85. That will be written on the box. So we have different sizes of these. Take a fresh receiver out of the box and then it just drops into place at the end of the hearing aid. Push in, click into place, and again if we check, the hearing aid should be functioning now. If none of that works, then the instrument probably needs to go for repair. Remove the new receiver, put the old one back in and contact your audiologist for advice. Okay, hope that helps. Thanks everybody.